Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Eye Milia Remover is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for those struggling with unsightly milia around the eyes, and in this video, we will explore what makes a truly effective Eye Milia Remover, discuss the key factors to consider when choosing one, and ultimately help you find the perfect product to achieve clear, radiant skin. Number 5. Suvorna 4-in-1 Pimple Popper Tool Kit. This kit is designed to help you safely and effectively remove blemishes. It's made with high-quality French stainless steel for hygiene and comes with a convenient carrying case. Say goodbye to those pesky milia. It features a specialized tool for gently and precisely removing these small, white cysts. This kit provides the perfect tools to remove blackheads without damaging your skin. It's designed for easy and effective blackhead extraction. This kit offers a complete solution for pimples and acne. It provides various tools to address different types of blemishes, helping you achieve clearer skin. It includes tools to tackle whiteheads and cysts. These tools are designed for safe and effective removal of these stubborn blemishes. With its comprehensive tools and hygienic design, this kit is your go-to solution for achieving clear, healthy skin. It's suitable for all skin types and easy to use. What we like? It has various tools and is made of safe, durable material. The carrying pouch keeps everything organized. If you need a variety of tools and appreciate convenience, this is a great option. What people say? This is an excellent tool kit for extracting pimples, blackheads, and milia. The tools are high-grade surgical stainless steel, easy to handle, and work well. The sharp end is excellent for piercing the little comedones, very sharp and doesn't hurt. After a little poke, I found it useful to use an angled loop instead of the round one at the end of this tool. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This Lancet and loop is a very professional, medical-grade dermatologist's product. The Lancet is extremely sharp, which makes it easy to pierce the skin on whiteheads and milia without causing any bleeding or pain. The loop is strong and not too thin, which makes it very sturdy when applying pressure to the pimples. I was able to extract blemishes without leaving any red marks or indentations on my face. Number 4. Beautlex Lancet Milia Remover. This tool effectively removes blackheads, milia, whiteheads, pimples, and more. Simply follow the included instructions for best results. Unlike other extractors, its small needle eliminates the fear of self-use. The loop perfectly extracts pus and oil-filled plugs. It's durable, easy to grip, and effortlessly removes even stubborn pimples. The weight provides the perfect pressure for extraction. Made of high-grade stainless steel, it's rust-free, sterilizable, and built to last. The sharp tip and firm loop ensure long-lasting performance. It comes with a synthetic leather storage case for easy transport and hygiene. It's backed by a 30-day return policy and a lifetime warranty. What we like? This tool is designed for precision and ease of use. The unique design makes it effective for various skin issues. If you prefer a professional-grade tool for precise extraction, this is the one for you. What people say? The product worked easily and came with instructions how to use it. This is the perfect device to remove milia. I literally got it today, ran to a mirror during a break and took care of one bothersome milia in less than 60. This Lancet is an absolute lifesaver for removing milia and whiteheads at home. It's sharp enough to be effective without causing damage, and the dual-ended feature is perfect for precision. The build quality is excellent, and it feels like a professional-grade tool. Number 3. MEOLY Milia Remover Serum. Are you struggling with milia, whiteheads, or sebaceous hyperplasia? This serum is formulated to help dissolve and reduce these imperfections, revealing clearer skin. It's enriched with natural tea tree oil and green algae extracts. These gentle ingredients support healthy skin without clogging pores. This serum is designed to work on all skin types. It helps moisturizers penetrate deeper, improving overall skin health. Simply apply a pea-sized amount after cleansing and toning, twice daily. For best results, use it consistently for at least 4 weeks. Its mess-free design makes application quick and easy. Gently massage it into the affected areas until fully absorbed. This serum helps to reduce the appearance of milia, whiteheads, and blemishes, leaving you with a more radiant and confident complexion. What we like? It uses natural ingredients and is easy to apply. It's suitable for all skin types. If you prefer a non-invasive approach with natural ingredients, this serum is perfect for you. What people say. I have used it for 3 days in the morning and night, and I can actually see a marked decrease in the milia, and some have already disappeared. The product is rich and oily, easy to apply and absorbed quickly. It hasn't irritated my eyes or caused any redness. The serum arrived quickly and I decided to put some on one morning while getting ready to leave the house. It went on smooth, no issues, and I forgot about it. The next morning I woke up, absent-mindedly touched my left eye and couldn't believe it. The milia bump was gone. Like it fell off after one use. This product breaks down any skin around the milia gently and allows the milia to come to the surface. I seriously can't believe I'm writing this review. Honestly, I think the people that it didn't work for probably misdiagnosed themselves with milia. 'Cause this product is a milia buster. Number 2. SGNEKOO Milia Removal Tool Kit. This kit includes a double-ended needle with a loop and a sharp tip, plus precision tweezers. It's all you need for complete facial care, and comes in a beautiful case. The needle is crafted from high-grade titanium alloy for durability and a comfortable grip. Its sharp tip and sturdy loop ensure effective and precise blemish removal. These tweezers are made of surgical-grade stainless steel, providing a long-lasting sharpness and comfortable grip. The micromatting surface ensures a gentle touch. It effectively removes blackheads, milia, whiteheads, pimples, and more. It's perfect for professional or personal use on your face and body. Keep this tool away from children due to its sharp points. Remember to sterilize it before each use with boiling water or alcohol. What we like. Made with high-quality materials, it's durable and effective. The kit includes both a needle and tweezers. If you want a durable and versatile tool, this is the best choice. What people say. Perfect to remove milia. I am a licensed esthetician, so I remove them on myself. The tip of this is so sharp, it opens the milia right away. The other side provides enough pressure to pop the pearl out. No scars or marks left behind. I've now used the milia removal set 3 times, twice for facial milia and once for removal of a splinter embedded in a finger, all with a 100% success rate. Both tools are well made, extremely sharp and with an appropriate length for easy handling. High quality product. Definitely recommend. Number 1. TreeActiv Milia Kit. Say goodbye to those pesky milia spots. This kit has everything you need for clear, radiant skin. Let's get started. Our special cream uses bentonite clay, tea tree oil, and aloe vera to gently exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. It's the perfect way to address those tiny white bumps. This premium stainless steel tool kit gives you the precision you need to remove milia effectively and safely from home. It's like having a professional facialist at your fingertips. These hydrocolloid patches are the finishing touch. They gently absorb impurities and help your skin heal, leaving you with a flawless complexion. TreeActiv is dedicated to providing high-quality skincare that delivers exceptional results. We're committed to helping you achieve your skincare goals. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive approach, combining topical treatment with tools and patches. The cream contains beneficial ingredients. If you want a complete solution for milia removal, this is the kit for you. What people say. Use the patches during the day and the clay at night. After a week they were dry to touch and smaller. Then I poked the tip of them with the sharp tool in the kit and then pressed with one of the round tools and all squeezed out. The tools were so small and sharp. It stressed me out with how close to my eye this was, and it took me a few tries to get the hang of it, but the stupid bump is gone. I even did a second smaller one since the larger one I had picked at, and the tools were great for extracting both. I've made this a part of my nightly routine, applying it after cleansing and before moisturizing. Some of the tiny bumps around my eyes and cheeks have become less noticeable. It's gentle, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.